Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some Milky Bar Fudge. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. To make Milky Bar Fudge, you're going to need 1 sleeve of cream crackers, crush them until fine. Add in 2 cups of icing sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Then add in 25 grams of melted butter. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And 1 tin of condensed milk. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Spoon the mixture into a lined baking tin and smooth and spread out. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut the Milky Bar Fudge into blocks. These taste just like Milky Bar chocolate, which is messing with my mind since there's no chocolate in. I hope you try to make this at home. Enjoy!